Hey there and welcome. This is Ginny and I appreciate you stopping by. Today I want to share with you how I made those clean and simple cards using some dies. I used those butterflies from Sizzix. They are quite intricate and beautiful, just fantastic to be used as the focal point of your creations. Each butterfly I die cut twice. The two on the right side I glued together to make them sturdier. For coloring them, I'm gonna use metallic paints, and to protect my work surface, I have a piece of release paper from double-sided tape that I always keep with my scraps. This is the palette that I'm gonna use. It contains 12 beautiful colors, and I really like its color range. The price is pretty good too. For coloring the first butterfly, I'm using the white. The brush I'm using here was included in the palette. Its quality is not the best, but it's okay for rough coloring like that. The second butterfly I'm coloring with the gold. I first thought of using embossing powder for those die cuts, but the heat is very intense and the humidity pretty high at the moment, so metallic paints are a great option to heat embossing. It's just too hot to deal with the heat tool. The next butterfly I wanted to color in rainbow shades, so I first applied the yellow and then added the pink and the blue. I started with the yellow because it's the lightest color of the three, and I didn't want to get darker colors kinda mixed in the yellow pen. It's just me. You can of course do whatever you want, but I just wanted to mention that. For coloring the last butterfly, I'm using the copper. I must say that it was quite time-consuming using this fine tip brush, so next time I'm definitely gonna grab a brush with a broad tip to save some time. It's difficult to capture in videos or photos, but the metallic shine is absolutely gorgeous in real life. It just looks so stunning. I love it. I then set them aside to dry, and in the meantime, I'm gluing down a die cut onto a side-folding white card base. The next die cut, I'm adhering onto a top-folding card base. Grabbing the palette again, I'm applying the yellow directly onto the card base, and I'm trying to get the color in every nook and cranny. I'm even holding the card in an angle to really get the color into all the crannies. I'm using yellow, pink, and blue to get a rainbow look. I love that you don't have to be too accurate using those paints. The result looks even better when you are not too perfect and let the colors blend and mix on their own. I'm almost done with this one, and that's how it turned out. For this butterfly, I'm only using the purple shade. As I mentioned before, it was quite time-consuming using this fine tip brush, so next time I'm gonna use a brush with a broad tip to save some time. All the die cuts are dry now, and I'm gonna show you quickly how they look like. The shine is so beautiful, but I had such a bad lighting, well, worse than normal, so it's hard to see, and I know I keep repeating myself, but the shine is really gorgeous. As a final step, I just adhered all the die cuts onto the card bases. I didn't add a sentiment, so I can add it later at any time suitable to any occasion. The sentiments I would probably heat emboss on black cardstock strip and adhere on the butterflies. Okay, here you can see all the cards, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope you'd consider subscribing to my channel, cause I would love to have you joining me for the next video. I also want to mention that my videos will be made in English and German, so the next one will be in German. So before you go, make sure you click the subscribe button And that's it for now. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again next time. Bye!